Your brain has a secret night shift mechanism, but it needs a master key to start. In this video, we'll explore the science behind this process. Welcome to Pinnacle Mind Metrics.
Imagine, for a moment, that your brain has a night shift crew, a specialized internal system that only activates when the lights go out. While you are in deep sleep, your brain cells literally shrink in size, creating space for a cleansing fluid to wash away the metabolic waste accumulated during the day. But this system does not run automatically. It requires a specific biological signal, a master antioxidant, to initiate the flush. Without it, the waste remains, and the next day, your mind inherits the cost. Each year, peer-reviewed research brings us closer to understanding the glymphatic system, the brain's internal waste management network. Today, we're exploring the critical role of a specific endogenous nutrient that acts as a catalyst for this nightly neuro repair process. This isn't just about sleep, it's about the science of neural maintenance, the intersection of biology, psychology, and cognitive longevity. This is Pinnacle Mind Metrics. Research suggests that the brain is the only organ in the human body without a traditional lymphatic system. Instead, it relies on the glymphatic system. Studies indicate that during deep sleep, the space between neurons increases by as much as 60%. This expansion allows cerebrospinal fluid to move rapidly through the brain, washing away metabolic byproducts, including beta-amyloid. The nutrient that facilitates this process is melatonin. Often labeled simply as a sleep hormone, peer-reviewed findings suggest melatonin is also one of the most powerful antioxidants the body produces. It doesn't just signal sleep, it signals repair. Melatonin acts like a biological key, initiating the opening of glymphatic pathways and ensuring the brain is physically cleaned before morning. When nighttime neuro repair is incomplete, many people experience what's commonly called brain fog. From a neuroscience perspective, this is often associated with neuroinflammation caused by uncleared metabolic waste. Research indicates that a well-cleared brain is significantly more efficient at memory consolidation, the process of transferring information from short-term storage into long-term memory. Beyond cognition, this nightly process supports emotional balance. Studies suggest the glymphatic system helps regulate the environment around neurotransmitters. When the brain fails to clear waste during sleep, the amygdala, the brain's emotional alarm center, becomes more reactive. This is not philosophy, it is physiology, and it forms the biological foundation of what many experience as inner calm. The brain is the only organ in the human body that must shrink in order to become clean. Our clarity is shaped not only by what we absorb during the day, but by what the body is allowed to wash away at night. While the body produces melatonin naturally, modern environments often interfere with its release. To support healthy neuro repair cycles, light hygiene matters. Research suggests even small amounts of blue light can delay melatonin production. Dimming lights and reducing screen exposure at least 60 minutes before sleep supports this process. Temperature also plays a role. Studies show the glymphatic system functions most effectively when body temperature drops slightly. A cooler sleeping environment supports deeper repair. Nutrition can also support natural production. Certain foods contain melatonin or its precursors, including tart cherries, walnuts, and goji berries. Neuro repair is not a luxury, it is a biological necessity. By understanding melatonin's role as a master technician in the brain's nightly maintenance system, we move beyond merely surviving our days and toward optimizing our lives. Long-term well-being is built in the quiet, invisible hours of the night. If you value evidence-based insights into human potential, consider joining our community.
At Pinnacle Mind Metrics, we believe that the better you understand the metrics of your mind, the more intentionally you can shape the journey of your life.
Thanks for watching. Discover more insights on Pinnacle Mind Metrics